Next question. The following conversion is an example of, here this is a pyrrole derivative, N-methyl pyrrole, which is treated with formaldehyde in Me2NH, that is a secondary amine in acid medium, and it is converted a group and substitution reaction will take place, that is CH2NMe2 group will come at 2 position, that is 1 2 3 4 5. So as you know, this is an example of Mannich reaction. Mannich reaction. In Mannich reaction, the electrophile is this. So how the electrophile generates? Here the formaldehyde in presence of a secondary amine it will be OH-NMe2. Now in presence of H plus, this will protonate. One molecule of H2 will be removed and the electrophile CH2NMe2 plus this will generate. Now in pyrrole, this lone pair will participate in this substitution reaction and the corresponding addition product will be formed, CH2NMe2, to gain aromatization. To gain its aromaticity, it will lose one proton and the product is a substitution product. So this is an example of Mannich reaction. Next question. Among the following compound, the one that is non-aromatic. So first, what is aromatic compound? Aromatic compound, the condition for aromatic compound is it must contain 4n plus 2 pi electrons which are delocalized and it must be cyclic planar system, that is it must be 4n plus 2 conjugated cyclic planar delocalized system. That is the condition for aromaticity. It must be conjugated, whereas anti-aromatic is 4n pi electrons delocalized cyclic planar, and an aromatic compound is a very stable compound while anti-aromatic is very unstable compound. But non-aromatic compound are nor very stable, neither very stable nor very unstable. Now here between these four compound, this is cyclooctatetraene. This has 4 pi electrons and it is planar cyclic conjugated system, so it should be anti-aromatic compound. But as anti-aromatic compound are very unstable, to avoid anti-aromaticity it gets puckered and becomes top shape, that is the shape of this compound is like this. So that it is not remain in planar, so the compound will not anti-aromatic. This is non-aromatic compound. Whereas this is benzene, where 6 pi electrons, and this is a cyclic planar conjugated system, so this is aromatic. This is 4 pi electronic system and it is planar conjugated, and this is anti-aromatic. And in this compound, this is a cyclic planar conjugated system and it has 10 pi electron, so this is also aromatic. But this is non-aromatic compound. Though it has 8 pi electron, which is the condition for anti-aromatic compound, but to gain stability it get puckered and acquire the tub shape geometry. So this is non-aromatic compound. Next question: the absolute configuration of C2 and C3 in the following compound. So this is C2, this is C3, as this is C1. So we have to determine the configuration of C2 and C3. For C3, first we have to determine the priority sequence of the 4 group attached with this chiral carbon. This is an OH group, this is CH3, and this is another group. So here the carbon is directly connected to the oxygen, so this will have priority 1. Now between these two, this is 2, this is 3, and hydrogen is 4, and the hydrogen, as it is below the plane. Now if we rotate our eye in from 1 to 2 to 3, then our eye rotation is in clockwise direction, so the C3 will have configuration R. Now for C2, the priority sequence of this 4 group, as it is connected to Br, so this is 1, as the atomic number of Br is higher than the carbon. Between these two, this carbon is connected to 2 oxygen and another phantom oxygen, whereas this carbon is connected to 1 carbon, 1 oxygen, and 1 hydrogen. So this will have higher priority than this carbon. So this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Now 1, 2, 3, if we rotate, and now the hydrogen is above the plane. We have to remember it, the hydrogen is above the plane. Now if we rotate, let's say this is below the plane and the bromine is above the plane. Now if we rotate our eye from 1 to 2 to 3, then it is in anti-clockwise direction if the hydrogen is below the plane. So it will be as. Now as in the actual molecule the hydrogen is above the plane, so it will also have configuration R. So C2 will have also configuration R. So guys, if you have any doubt regarding this video, please let me know in comment box. And to get such interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.